Hey, everyone. I'm James. Last time we played around with keyframes. Today, we're unlocking CapCut's second secret weapon, speed control. Don't underestimate this tiny function. With just one tweak, you can take a boring clip and make it feel suspenseful, dramatic, or drop-dead rhythmic. And today, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to master it: standard speed, optical flow, and the coolest one, curve speed. Let's start with the basics. Standard speed. The name says it all. Either speed the whole clip up, or slow it way down. You just drag the little speed slider. Slide left, and you can slow it down to 0.1x. Slide right, and you can crank it all the way up to 35.6x. This value varies from video to video. Picture this cat casually strolling. Speed it up, and boom. Instant, a lightning cat. Slow it down, and suddenly, every step feels like it's filled with deep philosophical meaning. This trick is perfect for creating funny or dramatic contrast. Simple, brutal, and it works every time. Now, here's something to watch out for. When you change the speed, the clip length also changes. So how do you lock in the exact duration you want? CapCut's got you covered. Right below the slider, there's a handy little duration option. The number on the left shows the original length, and the box on the right lets you type in the exact duration you want after the speed change. So if you need that clip to be exactly 10 seconds, just type in 10. Hit enter, and boom. It's perfectly timed. But what about the audio? CapCut actually gives you a neat little toggle where it turned off, and your audio just speeds up or slows down while keeping the same pitch. Like someone talking normally but on fast forward or slow-mo. Turn it on, and the pitch changes with the speed. Slow motion makes voices deeper and heavier. Fast motion turns them squeaky and hilarious. So depending on the vibe you want, you can totally turn it into a built-in voice changer. But here's the catch. If you slow things down too much, your video might start looking choppy. Like an old-school slideshow. That's when it's time to bring in smooth slow-mo, aka smart frame interpolation. Quick note though, this only works when you're slowing footage down, not speeding it up. CapCut actually gives you 2 algorithms to choose from: frame blending and optical flow. They sound fancy, but here's the breakdown. Frame blending basically averages or overlays nearby frames to smooth things out. It helps reduce flicker and motion blur, making your video look cleaner. Optical flow goes a step further. It analyzes motion between frames, predicts where pixels should move, and creates brand new in between frames. That means smoother motion, especially for moving objects. So, if you want the cleanest, most fluid slow motion without that jittery look, optical flow is your best friend. Check out this basketball shot. In slow motion, without frame interpolation, it feels stiff and awkward. Turn it on, and suddenly, the ball's arc looks buttery smooth. Like it was always meant to be seen in slow-mo. Alright, we've had our fun with straight-up speed changes. Now, it's time for the real pro move: curve speed. First, let's switch over to a clip of a girl diving in. CapCut comes with several preset speed curves. Things like montage, hero, bullet, and more. But the real magic? You can customize your own curve. Here's how it works. In the editor window, the top horizontal line is just your timeline. It's for reference only. You can't use it to set an exact duration. Below that, you'll see 5 horizontal grid lines. The middle one, marked 1x, is your normal speed. You can drag the curve up to speed things up. Max is 10x. Or drag it down to slow things down, as low as 0.1x. By default, the curve has 5 control points. But you can add as many as you like. Or remove anyone you dislike. Now, we try dragging the second point down. You'll see the video gradually slow down, then smoothly ramp back to normal speed. And here's the cool part. You're not limited to up and down. You can slide points left or right to control when those speed changes kick in. You can even adjust just half the curve for some really unique effects. So, think of linear speed like riding a train. Steady, predictable, all the way through. But curve speed? That's a roller coaster. Fast here, slow there, tension, release. And you're the one designing the ride. So to recap: standard speed, take control of fast and slow. Optical flow, keep slow motion silky smooth. Curve speed, craft rhythm like a DJ. And don't forget, play with the audio pitch too, so your edits surprise both the eyes and the ears. Master these tricks, and you'll turn ordinary clips into edits people just can't stop watching. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If this gave you new ideas, smash that like button. Drop your own tricks in the comments. And of course, hit subscribe, because next time, we're unlocking another one of CapCut's secret weapons.